This product's supposed to make HDMI cables non-existent anymore. So honestly, in my opinion, one of the biggest pains with setting up a monitor like this or TVs or anything like that is the cables back there. You see those things? The cables. I have them everywhere. They're so annoying. Cables, cables, cables. See this? This is a wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. So this will basically completely replace your HDMI cable. This thing is insane. I don't even know how this is possible. Let's get it open though. And it's that simple. All you do is grab this and you have both ends of the actual HDMI cable. So anything else that comes in the box here? We'll even get some accessories right here. Looks like you get a bunch of extra cables. These look like you need to power them up. But we're gonna go set this thing up and see exactly how it works. Let me just show you guys how simple it is to do this. So I have my laptop right here, and then I have a TV right behind me, as you saw. So all you do is you grab the TX side of the actual HDMI adapter, and you just plug this one in right into your HDMI port. So it even comes with an extra, has adapters too. So if you have USB Type-C and you don't have the actual HDMI port, you can just go like this and plug this in right there. So that's super convenient. But if not, basically what you do is you go on here, you pop this in right here. Okay, so just like that, I have it connected from here all the way over to the screen over there. There's no wires connecting this to there. It's not doing AirPlay or anything like that. It's all pairing from my laptop to the screen right here. So I'll even show you. And so basically, if I want to do anything on this screen, I can also format this. So now I can make this TV my main screen. And I can throw these right over onto the main screen. And this is all powered by this little HDMI box right here. They even do come with adapters that make it so you can go to, this looks like micro USB right here. And you have one also for the mini HDMI port as well. So you have adapters for everything that you need. And you even get an extender cable if you need. One thing to notice with this HDMI cable, the wireless HDMI cable, is it needs to be plugged into power. So it does not draw power from the HDMI port at all, but it draws power from an additional port. So I have it connected through a USB-C port right here. It just charges via USB-C, but it will require it to be connected. So for example, this one I have, it's powered up through the TV, and then it's just got the HDMI. Actually, while using it, it is super duper convenient. It would actually be very valuable, like for me, like just being able to like go like this, unplug it, and then all you do is plug it back in, just like this. It totally eliminates the problem of me having to actually connect my computer to an HDMI cable or my screen or whatever. It'll make it super easy so I can just wirelessly connect it just like that. See? And just like that, it's already on the screen, just like it was. It's super nice. One of the big things that would be a real draw for me with this product is the fact that you can essentially, if you were to have your computer or even a game console, maybe a PlayStation, Xbox, or even like a TV box, what you can do is you can basically plug that device in, make sure it's powered up as well. And then from there, all you need to do is plug it into the actual HDMI into the TV, and you have it right up there. So like for example, if I were to play Fortnite on my screen right here, all I have to do is plug in the HDMI to my actual Xbox or my PS5, and then I have it right there on the screen. No cables, no nothing connecting it. It's all wireless, which is super duper nice. All through this little connector right there, wirelessly beaming its way all the way to that TV. So you can make your setup look really super clean without having all those silly wires in the way. In my opinion, one of the main selling points for this is the fact that how tiny it is. Basically, all you need is to bring these two around, and you have a wireless HDMI cable basically, can take care of all of your HDMI needs without having to worry about any of this. I could see this being really useful on like vacations and stuff like that. I'd bring these cables as well because you need to power them up. But like this whole kit, even if you got smaller USB-C cables, is honestly, it's kind of nice. All you have is the receiving end and then the sending end. The actual size of it, it's pretty small. It's made of a pretty nice feeling polycarbonate. It's not metal and it's pretty light, so I don't think you have any problem carrying it around. You have two USB-C ports right here, and then all you do to get it ready is you just pop the lid off, pop the other lid off, plug it into the computer right here, plug this side in too, so you can get that going. Then you plug this right into the TV, and you're all set just like that. Overall, it's a pretty nice little system. It definitely is kind of more of like a substitute for something like AirPlay or screen sharing or something like that. If the TV doesn't have Apple TV or any of those, this would be super nice to have. Super convenient. You can just plug this right in your computer. You can even get the adapter for your phone and plug this right into your phone, and then you can just screen share right to a TV, and you don't have to worry about the wires of it tying down your computer or your phone or anything like that. You can just plug it in and you don't even worry about it. So overall, honestly, a very nifty little product. I think that this is a pretty cool idea, and I definitely recommend checking it out if you like. I'll have the links in the description. But yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to check it out in the description. But yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and peace.